If you want to delete your Paramount Plus account permanently, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or billing section. This area contains information about your current plan and payment details. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. In the subscription section, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Delete your account. After cancelling your subscription, look for an option to delete your account. This may be located in the same settings menu or under a separate section for account management. Follow the prompts to complete the deletion process. Once you have completed these steps, your Paramount Plus account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the account deletion.